One more? Eli, what are you doing? Eli. More, Matthew? Eli. Eli. Eli, stop cutting that. Matt, you want some more? You're done? No? Okay, that's enough. Let it go. Okay, that's enough. Yay! Where's your head? Head. Open your mouth. Where's your ears?
Mommy, I just cut it.
Where's your ears?
Open.
Okay, where's your ears, Matt?
Mommy just cut the water open.
Okay, here.
You know, the water with the box. I cut it.
Okay.
Cut it up.
Drink. Want some more? Okay. Let it go. Okay, let it go. Okay, that's enough.